Rajiv Institute of Technology. Have completed my engineering in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering. I am a 2022 graduate. Have joined Q and J Spider at August 4th, and here the faculties are really friendly and they are really supportive. They teach us from the scratch, where the non-IT people also can grasp the subject so well, and the HRs are also really friendly. They give us more placement opportunities, and have got placed at BDO Rice Private Limited. Recently, it's not even been 2 months till I joined here. So with a package of 5 LPA. And if any of your friends are looking for placement opportunities, do refer Q and J Spiders Hebbal branch.